In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can bring in 2D animation characters into live acting, similar like you will see in Who Framed Roger Rabbit. So stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Eon and welcome to my Start Animating YouTube channel, the channel that is specifically aimed at everyone that is new to animation. And if that is you, welcome, you are at the right place. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and also click on that little notification bell so that you can get notified every week when I upload a brand new video. And if you are interested and you like my content or you love animation, feel free to sign up also for my YouTube membership. Just click on that join button, or in the description there's a link. Just click there. There's 2 tiers and then you can see which one is right for you, and I hope to see you inside. So today we are going to bring 2D characters into live acting. Now last week in my previous video I did the reverse. I showed you guys how you can bring live actors into a 2D universe, almost like Space Jam. But today we're going to reverse it. We're going to do the how you can bring in characters into or 2D animated characters into a real world, like Who Framed Roger Rabbit. So again, just a quick disclaimer, I'm using Cartoon Animators, so it does have a function to export your videos with transparent backgrounds, and that's what you're going to need. I don't know how other animation softwares work, so I can't speak for them, but if you're using Cartoon Animator, then this is how you can do it. Now, exactly the same as in the previous video, when you want to achieve this, when you want to combine live acting and animation, it is very important to first create your storyboard as well as your animatic. Now in this case, I'm busy working on a TV show for my streaming platform where I combine real life and animation, and I've actually already edited the whole episode. So the only thing left for me to do now is just to animate all the short clips and import it into my project, and then I can basically export everything. So just if I can show you quickly, here is a scene, and I'm just going to take it back a little bit. Let's just go back. Okay, so if I press play, so you'll see on that area where you see the blank notepad, that is where I want my character to appear. So you'll actually see that when I shot this episode, I actually had to film the scenes as well, where the character is going to stand, where they're going to walk. That's why your storyboarding is so important, so that you can plan your shots beforehand. You know exactly what shots you need to film, and also when your character is walking, etc., it also helps with your timing if you have your animatic done as well. So I've edited the entire episode. So let's now I want to import my animation. So what I did is that short clip where she speaks, this area here.
Who am I? How can you even ask me that? You created me.
So that clip, I export the audio of that part, and then I import that into Cartoon Animator, and then I can animate get my lip syncing correct, and use my animatic and storyboard also to get the timing and everything I need to animate also correct. So I export that short audio. So you'll note I've actually done the voiceover recordings before I did the animatic, so I could actually build my dialogue with the live acting and the voiceovers. When you put it together, you've got your dialogue. Okay, so let's go to Cartoon Animator. Here is the character. So what I did is I basically animated it. So let's press play.
Who am I? How can you even ask me that? You created me.
Okay, so that is that short clip. Okay, so I've animated, I'm happy. Now what I can do here, if you've watched last week's video, it was important to animate your whole scene and everything needs to be perfect. In this case, I'm just making sure that my character doesn't go out of these blue lines, okay? Because I'm gonna resize them to fit where I want to place them. Okay, so what I now do is I just go to render video, and then again I go to MOV file, transparent video, export into separate files. You don't have to click that because you only need the one file, you only have the one layer. And then you select your frame size, the range, and then you export it. And then once you are done, you can go to your animation software and you can import it. And there you can see I've imported and it's got the transparent background. Okay, so now I can drag it in. And there's the character. Now you'll see he's out of space or out of place, but now I can just simply resize him and move him into correct place where I want to place this character. Maybe you want the character to stand there. And then obviously you can add some effects like a drop shadow to add some more realism to it. So you can do that as well. And then obviously when you press play, so there's a little bit of a drag because I also run screen capturing software at the same time. So there is a little bit of a drag or delay. So and you'll see it fits in perfectly and my scene is now done. So if I just take it back a little bit and I press play.
How are you? Who am I? How can you even ask me that? You created me. Emily, is everything okay?
And basically that is how you can bring in 2D characters into a 3D world. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, feel free to hit that thumbs up and also feel free to subscribe. And again, just a quick invitation, if you want to learn more about animation, feel free to also join my YouTube membership. So from me, I will see you guys next week with another video. So God bless and happy animating.